Morning Glory fam. I hope you're having a great day. I've been thinking about something lately, and honestly, it is really amazing when you understand nature and life deeply. You see, in life is full of painful paradox. Because in life, bad things happen sometimes and still create opportunity. Not because the pain is good, but because reality is interconnected and complicated. For example, when a king dies, it creates an opportunity for another king to be crowned. Life is about change, adaptation, and growth. Life is about pattern. It repeats. The pattern repeats. Even when you see a tree, don't just see a tree. Under the ground, the roots and fungi connected together like vein in human body to pass nutrient, water, and support each other through hidden connection. So as a person, as a human being, we must improve too, we must grow too, not just in age, in wisdom, in knowledge, in understanding, in mindset. If you are not improving, if you are not growing, if you are not learning, then what are you really doing? As a man, learn, build yourself, strive so hard. Nobody is coming to save you. Foes, enemies, they don't believe in us, but God did. We have to prove them wrong. You have to strive and be a better